sórí ìkànnì ètò Adùn Yorùbá. Abala tí a wà yìí ni à ń pè ní ìlú ọgbọ́n, níbi tí a ti ń fi ìlú bára wa sọ̀rọ̀ ọgbọ́n, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ní làákàyè, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ní kìmí nínú. Ọ̀rọ̀ wa fún tòní ó lọ báyìí. Bówólù ni kò lè pani. Bówólù ni kò lè pani. Igi tí a fẹ̀yìntì tí kò bá ní dúró. Bówólù ni kò lè pani. Tó ọ̀rọ̀ náà lẹ ti gbọ́.
Adùn Yorùbá.
The literary meaning to that sound of drum is simply saying you don't have to be worried, not disturbed about anyone or anything or whatsoever that does not add value to your life, your career, or to your business, either directly or indirectly. Remember, what does not kill you only makes you stronger. Ire o.
Adùn Yorùbá.
Please send in your comment under this video and do kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. While you do that, remember to on your notification button. See you next time.